Hello. Oh my gosh, I'm so close. I gotta figure out how to work this thing. Welcome out the middle of nowhere. What time is it? 11:30? So technically still morning. This morning I'm walking out to go check on my goats. I live on a farm. See? I keep my husband busy with, I can't get this open. Building me fences and gates. So don't mind the mess. Let's see if I can turn it around. Do I know how to do that? No, I don't. Oh yeah, right there. Haha. Farm tour. Okay, here's our rabbits. Hi, Gus Gus. Sweet baby. Oh, what a good boy. I know. He's a good boy. He's my favorite. Yeah, you're a good boy. Our bunnies. Oh, you want to see babies? You see the baby bunnies? We'll see the baby bunnies. Hi, baby bunnies. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, baby bunnies. There's Mama back there. Good morning. Look at them. Little cutie patoots. Little cutie patoots. Oh, honey, you didn't lock them in. Good thing I came out here. Look at their cute little faces. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this is our rabbitry. It's been a minute since I've painted. Rabbit pee's pretty acidic. But if you need any manure for your gardens, let me know. Let me know. Okay, let's see. Oh, hi, kitty. Oh, that's one pregnant mama. Let's see here. Ladies! Oh my gosh, they made a mess. And they need water. I can't have you and carry water at the same time, but I will get that done. There's 1, 2, 3. Hi, ladies. Hi, Pumpkin. Good girl. I know, I didn't bring in any cookies. I'm sorry. I should have. I didn't think about it. I will next time. But you, good girl. Hi, Tipper and Tabby. Sweet girls. Hi, sweet girls. Okay, you be nice, Pumpkin. They're looking for cookies. I didn't bring any cookies. I'm sorry. No, you be nice. You be nice. Hi, girl. Yeah, hi, baby. This is Pumpkin, Tipper, and Tabby. You know, please don't bite me. I don't have any cookies, and that's what they want. I sorry. We're hoping to get some babies here pretty soon. This summer, actually. Yes, sweet girl. I'm in my chicken pants. Haha. Are you a farm girl if you don't have chicken pants? Oh, Miss Kitty over there. Want to go see the ducks? I'll show you the ducks. The ducks and the chickens. Okay. Oh, I'll be back in a minute. Sweet. Hi, kitty. Oh, she's talkative today. Ooh, they're yelling at me. The dog's in there. Comment what your favorite farm animal that I have is. We've got the chickens. I've got to get eggs today. Oh, I see a kitty in the tree. Good. Go get those birds. They're kind of pests around here. Oh, I'm scaring them. There's our chickens. I'll get back out so they can... They should know better by now, but they do have a bird brain, so there's that. So that's our chicken run. And here's our duck run with our ducks. Oh, I've got eggs to get. We have too many ducks we'll be butchering soon. Look at my little flower bed. And I've got these little porcelain ducks. Aren't those garage sale? Isn't that fantastic? I love that. There's Douglas, the white one over there. He's a jumbo pekin. That's his breed. I love jumbo pekins, but I live... Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. So, that's the farm tour. If you want to see more than welcome to show you more. Or show it all again. Not everything can be so beautiful at one day. I hear a cow and it's not mine. I don't have a cow. If any of you want to donate a cow to the Smalley household, I will not say no. My husband might, but I will not. I will gladly take one, 100%. So, but I do not have a tripod on my phone right now, so I can't show you water. It'd be really messy and all of that. So, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.